The painting entitled Woman Grinding Coffee by Jean Dubuffet in 1945 was created with plaster, oil, and tar with sand on canvas. This work is currently being displayed in the Modern and Contemporary section of the Metropolitan Museum of Art. The tar and sand mediums can be seen in the background, adding a eerie and mystifying textured background to this piece. The figure, which is believed to be the artist's wife, it bears no resemblance to how she actually looks, is broken down into its most simplest form, and the body is warped to fit the compositional needs of the painting. The artist widens the shoulders as well as the head in order to make a more fulfilling piece. Dubuffet didn't believe with working in the aesthetic norms of the time. He decided to draw inspiration from the past as well as something that he might be able to see in the future. He draws inspiration to all of the art periods that have come before him. This piece is being displayed next to the works of Morris Hirschfeld and Horace Pippin. Both of these artists create very different works, yet they are both being displayed on the same wall and were created in the same time period. Some similarities with these paintings are they all feature a female nude. All three of these artists used the male gaze, which is why they may have been sectioned off together. All three of these paintings feature women doing everyday tasks, yet they are shown doing those everyday tasks in very sexualized formats. Pippin decides to show his subject sunbathing, whereas Dubuffet uses his subject grinding coffee. Hirschfeld shows three different figures all up on a stage. This piece uses stenciled images that were transferred onto the canvas, and those pencil tracing marks are still seen underneath the paint layers. But the piece that stood out to me the most while I was strolling through the Met was the piece by Jean Dubuffet, Woman Grinding Coffee. Part of what intrigued me about this piece was the simplistic representation of the human figure